In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an archive title to your WordPress site. This simple process will help you organize your content and improve navigation for your visitors. Start by going to wordpress.com and clicking the login button at the top right. For a faster login, select Continue with Google and choose the account linked to your WordPress site. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On the right-hand panel, find Quick Links and click Edit Site to open your site editor. In the top left corner, click the Add button to open the block menu. Type Archive Title into the search bar and select the Archive Title block from the results. This will insert the block onto your page, allowing you to label and organize your archived content effectively. Position the block where you want it and adjust any settings as needed. Remember to save your changes to ensure everything is updated on your live site. And that's it. You've successfully added an archive title to your WordPress site, making it easier for visitors to navigate your content. In today's video,